Welcome back to the channel. We are looking at the stock price of Guardforce AI company, and it has the ticker symbol GFAI. This is a company that is based out of Bangkok in Thailand, and today the stock has dropped a whopping 32.5%, and now it is trading at $1.14. So this is a very huge drop to sustain in a single day, but that doesn't tell the whole story. If you look at the monthly graph, you will notice that about a month ago, Guardforce AI was trading at about 42 cents, and then it rose until it got to $1.70 about or thereabouts on April 5th, which is yesterday. And then today it had the 32% drop. So if you were invested in this company just a month ago, even though today it dropped at 32%, you are still way in the money. So this company is actually diversifying. At the very base, they have cash transaction businesses in Thailand, and especially cash in transit, offering secure vehicles to banks, providing ATM solutions, and now they are expanding to provide AI robotics as a service to certain companies. So this new venture by Guardforce AI is what is actually pushing a lot of their growth. So robotics as a service, exactly what that entails, I am not too sure. But since they made those announcements and actually acquired a company from Shenzhen in China, a robotics company, their stock actually took off from that time until we have this whopping 32% drop in a single day. The volume today is at about 15 million shares that have exchanged hands, and we still have about 3 hours in the market. Average volume is about 13 million. So I am not sure if the transactions that we see in today's volume are more on the sell side, or it's people who are loading up on the Guardforce AI stock. Short term, mid term, everything is in the green, and long term, neutral. So I think there is still a lot of growth left for Guardforce AI. As always, if you plan on investing in any of the companies we discuss on the channel, make sure you do your due diligence and see if it's the industry you want to be in, and also make sure that you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. If you are in doubt, then employ the services of a licensed financial planner. They are better placed to help you make your stock market placements. Thanks for joining me, and if you enjoy the content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That way we get a few more subscribers and grow the channel a little bit faster. Bye for now.